Everyone, once again I am here with you with the important points of the chapters. So first of all, see chapter 1, my body. In this, see this external organs and internal organs. These are very important point. So the part of the body which can be seen from outside are called external organs, and the parts of the body which cannot be seen from the outside, they are called the internal organs. Okay, and the external organs, you can see what you can see: nose, eyes, ear. These are the external organ. Okay, and you can't see liver, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine. So these are the internal organs. Okay, so this is about the internal organ and external organ. Now come to the important points. See this. Do you know this is very important? See this. Sugar and bacteria are left on the teeth of the long, and they can cause tooth decay. Okay, and the white outer covering of the teeth is called what? Enamel. What do you call the white outer covering of the teeth? That is the enamel, and this is the hardest substance in the human body. In the human body, this enamel is the hardest substance. Okay, now move to the next important point. See this. See this. This is very important. The back of the tongue is sensitive to bitter taste. Its sides are sensitive to sour and salty, and the tip of the tongue picks up sweet taste. Okay, so this is very important. You have to learn this. Now see, this is also very important. The liver is the largest gland of our body. What? Liver is the largest gland of our body. Now come to the next point. The length of a small intestine is approximately 7 meters, whereas the large intestine is only 1.5 meter long. See this. Small intestines approx 7 meter and large intestine approx 1.5 meters. Okay. And now see this. Cooking makes food soft, tasty and digestible, and it kills germs that may present in the food. Okay. Now move to the next point. The next point is it is very important that a person suffering from diarrhea and vomiting should be given plenty of cooked boiled water containing a small amount of sugar and salt. Okay, so note it down your notebook. And the keywords are the canine, diarrhea, digestion, digestive juices, incisor, internal organ, molars and premolars, and saliva, and all are very important. Okay, now move to the next chapter, that is the chapter 2, plants. In this, see the important points. See this. Roots help in soil conservation, and they help to bind the soil and protect it from getting washed away. Okay, now see this. Do you know this is also very important? Edible roots like carrot, radish and beetroot are delicious and nutritious and add variety to the diet. Okay, these are the roots. Now see this. There is a law against cutting trees, and for cutting down or pruning any trees, a written permission from the appropriate authority is required. Okay, when you want to cut down the tree, then you have to take the permission. Okay, from the appropriate authorities. Okay, now move to the chapter 3. In the chapter 3, this is the flowers and the fruits, chapter 3. In this, see this, very important, that watermeal or Wolfia globosa is the smallest flower, and Rafflesia almondi is the largest flower in the world. Okay, now move to the next. You can see your book for the correct spelling. And see this. Banana has no seeds and it reproduces through its stem. And what is the largest fruit in the world? Jackfruit is the largest fruit in the world. And the keywords are the extract, fragrance, generally prepare, variety and wound. So these are the things you have to learn and write in your notebook. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.